You guys know I love my Boost Auto running boards. But what I don't love is that they don't light up every time I open the door. So the folks at Boost Auto must have felt the same way, because now they make a wiring harness that'll fix that. I don't know if you can tell, but there's two of them here. It's one for each side. Super easy to do. Let's do it. All right, so if you did the install yourself, then you know that all the electronics are at the front of the step. If you didn't do the install yourself, well, you're in luck. This one's really easy. Everything is right here. All right, so I'm on the driver's side, and I am just gonna disconnect this. This just pushes in. Now, no judging, I live on a dirt road, so it gets a little dirty under here. All right. So with the motor disconnected, we're just gonna plug this in and plug this in here. Now this kit did not come with a zip tie or anything for cable management, so you'll want to do that on your own. All right, on the other side, you've got two sets of wires here. One of them is a 4-pin, the other is a 2-pin. You can pretty easily look at the wiring color here, and you got a white and then a red with a, looks like a yellow tracer, and then a blue. And so that's the one you're looking for. The other one is just red and white, so that's your hot wire. So that's, we're not messing with that one, just this one. All right, so we're gonna disconnect these. It is on this end. There's a little tab right here that you push down, and it pulls apart. You might think it's the other side, but no, it's this side. All right, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing over here. We are gonna just put this in line. All right, now we just want to zip tie this mess up and away so it's not going to get messed up and dangle down from your truck. And that's it. We are done with the driver's side. The passenger side's done the same way. I just happen to have a zip tie on me, so all right, that's that side. All right, now we are over on the passenger side, and we're going to do the same thing. Push that down. Put this connector in. That connector in. And then all the way up here. Other side. That out. You in. You in. And now I'm gonna zip tie all this. All right, that's the whole thing done on the passenger side. We are completed. You saw that only took, I don't know, maybe a minute. I'll figure out the exact time it took when I'm editing, but that was pretty quick. So let's see how it looks. So if we did everything correctly, this should light up when I open the door. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And then it goes out when it goes back up. That is a fantastic upgrade. Super easy to do. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see y'all down the road. Oh yeah. Gotta be happy with that.